this. Okay, we have the baseless done.
No! I swear it's something to horse that is so cool, but I keep dying to it. Oh, something to horse that is too cool.
It's like this level I'm doing right now, it's not gonna take me that long. I just don't know if it's gonna be extreme demon or not. It's not going to be.
I'm gonna hit something to horse too. Oh my god.
I rebeat it. That was fast.
GG's.
Dude, I flipped like the entire drop. What the hell? I mean, I'm not complaining, but damn.